Today is Monday, and that means it's time to talk about an operational rule. Today, we're going to talk about flying over people. Now, do not fly directly over people. This rule applies to flying over anyone that is not directly involved in the drone operation. Now, the recent recurrent training does not give remote pilots permission to operate drones for commercial use over people. The compliance to that rule cannot happen until we have a radio frequency designated for remote identification. So, never fly over groups of people unless they are otherwise part of your operation. And if you're flying over a structure, you need to look at that structure as being fully occupied and make the necessary precautions. It's recommended that persons in the immediate area not involved in the operation of the drone be notified of the operation. Now, the rule doesn't specify a safe distance away from people, but a safe distance is really one that's considered that if the drone were to get into an emergency situation, it would not pose a risk to individuals or property. Because if the FAA has to investigate, one of the first questions is going to be, what safety procedures did you put into place to mitigate the risk?